So hello, welcome back. For today's video, we're gonna be discussing the co-function identities. So tapos na tayo sa Pythagorean identities, so co-function identities naman tayo. Pag sinabi nating co-function identities, uh, ito lang naman yung mga relationships between the trigonometric functions and their co-functions. So nakabase siya sa complementary angles. So, pag sinabi natin complementary angles, the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. So suppose we have angle A and of course the angle B. So the sum of that is 90 degrees. So pag sinabi namang complement of A, so ililipat ko lang tong B dito. So A is equal to 90 degrees minus the angle B. So pag complement of B naman, baliktad, B is equal to 90 degrees minus A. So itong co-function identities, so we'll be deriving this. So base ulit siya sa right triangle. This is 90 and A, B, label this side as C is the longest side of the triangle. So if this is theta, all we know that in the right triangle, the sum of the angle of this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180 degrees. So therefore this side is 180 minus 90 minus theta, which is just 90 minus theta. So itong angle na to is just 90 degrees minus theta. Now let's just start with the sine. If these are a reference angle, 90 degrees minus theta, the sine of 90 minus theta is equal, so only know that sine is opposite side. So since this is our reference angle, ang opposite side niya ito, and then hypotenuse, so that is B over C. But if our reference angle is this, ang B ito, which is the adjacent side, and yung C ito. So B over C here is, if this is our reference angle, cosine theta is equal to B over C, which is equal to this. So substituting, we have sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cosine theta. So meron na tayong co-function identity that sine of 90 degrees minus the angle is equal to cosine of the angle. But since alam na natin na ang sine and cosine are cofunctions and complements, so we just agree that cosine of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So nag-interchange lang naman sila. So next, so sa tangent of 90 degrees minus theta naman tayo. Tangent 90 minus theta. So if this or reference angle, ang opposite side niya ito, ang adjacent side na ito. So tangent theta is opposite side over the adjacent side. So this is B over A. And kung ang reference angle natin na ito, ang B over A is adjacent side over the opposite side, which is a cotangent. So cotangent, tangent theta is equal to B over A. So substitute ko to dito. So we can agree that tangent 90 minus theta is equal to cotangent theta. But since tangent and cotangent are cofunctions and complements, therefore cotangent 90 minus theta is equal to tangent theta. So nag-i-interchange lang sila. Ayan na. And next one is the second naman. Try natin yung second. So second 90 minus theta. Ang second is that is the opposite of the cosine. So mag-draw muna ulit tayo ng triangle dito, ng right triangle, kasi natakpan na. This is 90 is the theta. This angle is 90 minus theta. So kung second 90 degrees minus theta, this is the reference angle. Ang opposite side niya ito, ang adjacent side niya ito. But since second 90 degrees minus theta is equal to hypotenuse. So C, so A, B, hypotenuse over the adjacent side A. So C over A. Now, kung ito naman yung reference angle natin, yung C over A is hypotenuse over the adjacent side. Now, ang hypotenuse over adjacent side is the reciprocal of sine, which is the cosecant. Now, cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse over the opposite side. That is C over A. I-substitute ko to dito. Ang second of 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. But since secant and cosecant are cofunction and complements, ang cosecant theta, cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta.